Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new group in Notion. If you want to organize your database more clearly and make similar items easier to view together. Grouping is one of the most useful tools in Notion. It helps you sort your content into sections based on a property. So instead of seeing everything in one long list, you can quickly scan categories like status, priority, or tags. To get started, open the database page where you want to create your groups. This can be any Notion database view that supports grouping, such as a board or list, depending on how you prefer to work. Once you are inside the database, look toward the top right corner of the page and click the three dots. This opens the View Options menu where you can customize how your database is displayed. From that menu, select Group. This is the setting that controls whether your database entries are organized into separate sections based on one of your properties. As soon as you click it, Notion will give you the option to choose which property should be used for the grouping. Now, choose a property such as status, priority, or tags. The property you select will dictate how your groups are created. For example, if you choose status, your entries might be separated into groups like To Do, In Progress, and Complete. If you choose priority, you may see groups such as High, Medium, and Low. And if you choose tags, your entries can be grouped by the labels you've assigned to them. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how easy your database is to manage. Grouping is especially helpful when you are working with a lot of information and want a cleaner, more visual layout. If the grouping doesn't look the way you want right away, make sure the property you selected already has values assigned to your items, since those values determine what groups appear. Once your property is selected, your database will update automatically, and your new groups will be visible right away. From there, you can start reviewing and managing your entries in a more organized way. Thanks for watching.